Right, welcome to the channel, ladies and gents. We need to remove this sunroof. Not going to be much talking. I just need to get to it because it is starting to rain and we're starting to get bad weather here in the UK, so I need to change the sunroof out. If you didn't know, sunroof on my Pulsar GTiR is wrecked. A very, very awesome subscriber of the channel. Massive kudos to you, thank you so much. Had one going, so I bought it off him. So it looks pretty self-explanatory. A bunch of bolts, you know, all the way around, all this kind of stuff. It doesn't look that difficult, to be fair. Bolts here, frame here, sort of a bolt up through under here as well. I'm pretty certain it's exactly the same. Yeah, it should be exactly the same. So anyway, I'm just going to set you up, drop this, and then put the new one in. Oh, it's too hot now as well. All the windows down. Get some fresh air in. Right. Disconnect this first. Shut up. Stupid thing. This is disgusting. Come on. Unclip there. Just part of the wiring for that there. That's fine, I don't need to remove that now. But then this I do. Okay. Oh, Nick's here. Nick's coming. He's having a nosy. Try to do the sunroof. It's actually, no, it's quite, front's down. No, it's quite easy. Got to clean the car again. Loads of shit coming out of it. Oh, mate. Love you, bye. You're not going, you're just being a creep. You are still there. Love you, bye. Now, some of you may think I'm being really impatient because I'm not waiting for Nick. And that is also true, but it's also because of the wet and the UK and the rain and everything that entails, because I don't really want my car to get broken. So that's why. Oh, he's revving off, ladies and gents. He's revving off in his Mini. Wanted to actually have the Mini on the channel, but his wife won't let us. It's a bit annoying, but also fair. Right, so that's that down. Okay. Because that is actually from over there. I don't know whether these... Oh, okay, that's absolutely fine. So some more bolts there. I've got to start doing it at the rear now. Right, okay, so... This is not fun, guys. I'm not enjoying this that much. It needs to be done though. There we go, right. Oh, I don't know how much this is just drop. When this comes down, I'm hoping not much. But I inevitably think it probably will. Quite a lot, actually. That one's out. Okay. Oh, that is dropping. That is dropping. Quite a lot. Quite a lot. Let me just hold it up. All these wires are out now, aren't they? That one's still attached actually, hold on. Let me get this out here. There we go. Broke that clip, but never mind. Not a big deal. Okay, right. Close this up. Fucking sunroof by myself, what an idiot. What an idiot. Oh, no. So the reason why we're doing this now rather than waiting is, again, it's literally just because of the rain. Can't afford to have the rain come through and wreck the inside, the interior. Let's put a little bend on this. So that's why. So, got the old one out, got the new one in, just to kind of show you anyway. Actually fits perfectly. I mean, the seal is amazing. This should actually work. There was some locator pins and things like that. But it looks like I've got it pretty much bang on first go. I still need to put some more bolts and brackets in. Like over there, you can see there still needs to be another bolt and bracket in there. That's fine, we'll do that. But I am just gonna ground it, plug it in and just double check that it is actually working and is in the right spot first, and then we'll try that. So let's do that and then kind of go from there really. So it actually works. Sort of. You have to sort of like encourage it, but it was working. Don't really. But I've got to do this to like encourage it back. But then it comes out. We've got a sunroof. I've never had a sunroof before. Never had a car with a sunroof, but that works fine. And then it comes back up, and then I did have it up a second ago. Yeah, there you go. How cool is that? I don't understand why it's having such, like, it doesn't, it's it where, I don't know. It's almost, you see what I mean? Like, I've got to press it multiple times for it to do anything. Weird, but it works. So that's a success. So I'm going to finish this up now. I would say that is absolutely successful. I'm not sure what the top looks like now because I don't know where it sits normally. Okay, so that is it closed. And it is like, that's a nice seal. That's really, really good. Much better than the old one. The old one was a complete piece of crap. So anyway, success. Gonna wrap this up now. I do have a headliner, which I'm probably gonna try and put in it, I think. Or maybe save that for another day. Probably save that for another day because I might have to cut some holes. But I'm gonna do these brackets, bolts and things, and then show you the finished product. I'm leaning back. I've done it all. So I put the majority of the brackets in that actually hold it up are all in here and here. The only brackets which are missing now are these, which are for the grab handles. I'm not in a rush to put these on. I need to figure out exactly where they go because it doesn't look obvious now. But I'll review some footage and put them on. But there you go, installed the sunroof. It actually works. I'm super happy with that. Like, it's all, yeah, I am really, really happy with that. It's good. I need to cable tie up some of these leads so they basically just get put away. But then it'll all be covered soon because we'll have a brand new headliner going on. So this car is slowly, very, very slowly, but it is happening, getting put together, which I'm really, really happy about. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I know a bit of a weird one, but if you did, hit that like button, subscribe for more in the future. Cheers guys, take care.